Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to enable battery protection on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on battery, and from here you will find the option of battery protection. Now to enable battery protection, just enable this toggle. And once you enable this toggle, you will enable the battery protection feature on your Samsung phone. Now, if you tap on battery protection, and from here you will find the different options of battery protection for your Samsung phone. The first option is basic. And in basic mode, if the battery of your Samsung phone is charged to 100%, it will automatically stop charging until the level of the battery drops down to 95%. Then it will start charging again. After that, you have the option of adaptive, and in adaptive mode, it will automatically stop the charging of your smartphone at 80% and it will continue charging before you wake up. And finally, you have the option of maximum. And in maximum mode, you can set a battery level at which the charging will automatically stop. You have the option of 80% up to 95%. Now, just select the battery percentage level and charging will automatically stop at the selected battery percentage level. And this is how you can enable battery protection on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.